guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a demo and overview on the new Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity Palette. So if you're interested in the looks I created and my thoughts, then keep on watching. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It's just a cardboard box. All the names are on the back of the palette, and the palette is the same design as the box that it comes in. So the palette opens like this. You do get a little mirror. Sorry if I blind you. And then it has little ribbons here to hold the palette up if necessary. And let me try not to blind you. These are the shades that you get in the palette. So you have 18 shades in the Celestial Divinity Palette. The 6 shades that are over here and the 6 shades that are over here are from the Star Wars palettes that launched last fall. I didn't get a chance to pick those up because they sold out hella quick. So I'm happy to have this palette, but I do understand that a lot of people were upset about it because there's only 6 new shades in this palette. So if you're a Pat McGrath collector and you already have those Star Wars palettes, you know, getting this palette is really not conducive to your collection. But I do understand why she re-released it, because that collection was very hard for people to get. It sold out very quickly. So what I am going to do is go ahead and prime my eyes a bit with concealer and a bit of the Anastasia eyeshadow base. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 different looks for you guys. I'm going to do one from basically each 6-pan section of the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off with this side here, and we're going to go in with that shade, which is called Venomous Void. For like a dark aubergine, like plummy color, it does blend pretty nicely. I'm not getting any patchiness or skipping. Next, I'm going in with this shade here, which is called Smoked Amethyst. I feel like I'm not getting the shimmer that's in there. It's translated more as a, well, never mind. I can see it. Just pack it on. So I'm going to go in with Odyssey right here. So this shade definitely is a little bit more loose than traditional metallic from Pat McGrath. I hope this doesn't fall down on my face, but let's see. I'm going to place that right here. It fell down. Okay, that's pretty. I'm going to go in with a rougher number 3 and pick up this shade right here, which is called Cosmic. Oh, that's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Is this a duochrome? It has a shift to it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I did bring a bit down to the lower inner corner. Okay, I'm going to go in with this beautiful red right here, which is called Saturnalia. Place that there. I'm going to go back in with Smoke Amethyst. I have one more shade to use. Where am I going to put this? Okay, so the last shade that we have is called Bronze Nebula. I'll put that in the center. Yep. Alright, I'm just going to clean up my under eyes and add a little bit of liner and mascara, and I will come back and do the other eye. So this is what our first eye looks like with lashes and mascara. I like it. I think it looks pretty nice. Everything blended very nicely, you guys. The metallics are beautiful as always. So next we're going to go in with the next side of the palette. This side is pretty much all metallics. So let's see what I do with that. Going with this shade here. This one is called Corruption. If you guys hear any noise, my daughter has decided that she wants to play all over the place, and everybody in the building is making noise. Alright, so we're gonna pop Corruption all over the crease. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, is that like a duochrome? Does it have a bit of green in it? Yes, it does. Okay. That's pretty. Yo, that little bit that I picked up like went a long way. I think I want to go in with this shade next. We're gonna see how this looks. This is called Violet Void. Is that ugly? Kinda. Oh well. That's what we're doing today. Violet Void right on the outer eye. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is called Electron. What the second eye looks like with lashes and mascara. I like the way that it turned out. I really like the color combination actually. Very pretty. That sheen in my crease is giving me life. I really like both of them. I think that the eyeshadows are beautiful. I like the colors that come in the palette as well. So these are the first two looks that we have. I still have my hair up, but this is the overall finished look. For my lip, I have on the Mented Night Liner with Milk. What is the name of this lipstick? Skills? Yeah. Milk Skills lipstick and the Sephora gloss in the shade Fly. So yeah, this is the finished look. I think this lip looks pretty with both looks. So we're just gonna complete our final look and we're gonna go in with those new shades in the center of the palette. So I think I want to really use that fuchsia shock. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this light pink here. I believe it's called Venetian Orchid. Go in with a bit of Venomous Void. Next we're going in with this brown here, which is called Major Mahogany. So I'm going to place it right beside Venomous Void. Just brings a bit of warmth. That's pretty. Alright, we're going to pop Fuchsia Shock on our lid. I'm going in with a bit of Major Mahogany and just blend in the edges. I do have a bit of fallout right here. I'm going to go back in with that light pink color that's called Venetian Orchid. I'm just blending out the inner crease. I'm going in here with Lunar Champagne to the inner corner. I was gonna exclude the greens from this look, but just might as well. Let's do it. I'm gonna go in with Dragonfly, which is this shade right here. Dragonfly here. Okay. I'm using a rougher number 3. And then the last color is called Megabyte. It's that green right there. I'm gonna pop that on the lower lash line. It's like an olive. That's pretty. And I'm gonna go in with some Major Mahogany and pop that on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my under eye area, put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll come back. So this is our completed final look. I have on mascara and lashes, and the lashes that I have on, by the way, you guys, are the Lily Lashes Light Mink in the style Goddess. Yeah. So this is our finished look. I have on the same lip combination. You guys, the eyeshadow palette is pretty nice. There's no, I don't feel that the quality is any different from the Mothership palettes. Now keep in mind that, I mean, this one does feel a bit dry, but it is like a aubergine plummy color, and those are definitely harder to formulate when it comes to those tones. They're always dry, but I feel like it blended really nice on my eye area. I don't know if it is any different from the original palette that it came in. You would have to watch some other videos for anybody who had those palettes to give you an idea of if they're different or not. But I like it. I like the palette. I'm happy I picked it up. Again, it retails for $78 and you get 18 shades in the palette, which is pretty good for Pat McGrath because, you know, the 10 pan palette is $125. So you get to try it out if you want to. You don't get any special astral shades in this palette, but you do get some metallics and duochromes, which are nice to try. And you only have 3 mattes. So keep that in mind. So let me know if you picked up this palette. What do you think of it? Are you happy that she did this mega palette? Let me know your thoughts down below. I also picked up the Blitz Astral Quads. I haven't gotten a shipping confirmation as of yet, so I don't know when I will be getting that. And I picked up the highlighter. So look out for a video on those items. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. So if you have not, I would love for you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordine. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.